welcome back to the channel, and it is time to get busy and hard at work on my car. So let's start recapping right here. Here's the engine. Yes, on the Maximum Motorsports K member, everything is mocked up with all of the power by the hour accessories, and even got the spiffy power by the hour evap delete. So that is part number one for my 92 LX. Part number two, sitting right here, my Hanlon spec built TR3650 transmission is ready to rock. We are just waiting on the clutch, so in the meantime we've got some other stuff we had to do. And the third part, there's Dover. The third part is the fully fortified 8.8, which we are actually going to be cleaning up and, you know, just hitting with a little bit of paint just to kind of make it halfway look decent. It's not a show car, it's going to be driven, but you know, it's kind of filthy. But in case you missed it, got the 5-lug 31 spline axles, C-clip eliminators, Detroit True Track diff, I think, and I mean it's ready to go. So that is basically the drivetrain in the car. Everything's here, sans the clutch, otherwise we'd be putting it in the car right now. However, it gives us a little time to do this, so let's get to work. So we're moving along here. Got it real nice and clean. As you can see, hit it with the Brillo pad and the brake clean. Got the bushings taped off. Check out my epic tape job. Yes, that's epic. But now we're actually going to hit this thing with some paint. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, and I'm not trying to make it perfect. You know, maybe down the road I'll take it back out and actually do some detailing on it. But for right now, just gonna hit it with some paint. It'll be good enough. I mean, it won't look crappy, it won't look half-assed, but it will look 100% better than it does now. So let's get some paint on this dude. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have coat O paint on the rear end. Again, this is not a show car, but it came out really good. It looks good, and there is Speed Addict 731. He's over there. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. He's talking to Dover. Who knows? But guys, the rear end is all ready to bolt in. It's good to go. Super excited about that. And of course, like I said earlier, and I haven't even taken off the pallet yet, but this shifter, oh my God. Like, there is only one guy, well, maybe a few guys. There is only a very small amount of people that can make a transmission just snap like that when you put it in gear, when you shift gears, stuff like that. And that would be Bob Hanlon of Hanlon Motorsports. Huge thanks again to Bob Hanlon for making this happen. I mean, this thing, oh my God. Wow.
Don't break it.
Yeah, shut up. I cannot wait, ladies and gentlemen. I cannot wait. Because the moment is almost here. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there's the engine right over there. It's all ready to go. And then, of course, the rear end is right there. Trans is right there. So, yeah, I can almost taste it now. Rear end's ready to go. Now we got to kind of get some things together here with the brakes. Right here are my SN95 spindles, SN95 brakes. They're actually edge car calipers and rotors with 94 95 spindles, so those are good. And then of course there's my rear discs right there. Now I don't know how good of operating condition these are. They came off of an 03 GT that Dover had, but those are going to be the brakes, so we're going to have to start getting those sorted out. And I mean, we're going to be driving this car literally like 2 weeks. We're going to be driving my car. I'm super excited, and I've got to figure out wheels. Holy God, I got to figure out wheels. Yeah. All right, guys, so that is what is up today. Lots of work getting done. I'm sorry I can't film all of it because I don't get anything done if I film it all. So I film as much as I can and, you know, try to keep you up to date on everything. But that is what's up. The drive line is all here. It's all ready to go in the car. We just got to finish up brakes, wiring. I mean, just it's almost time. But yeah, one more parting shot of the Hanlon built 3650. Oh my God, stronger than a T56, lighter, and set up by the man himself. Okay, back to the show. Yeah, we got a lot to do. We're just waiting on a clutch and a flywheel. Ken, how do you feel about that?
I want it.
Okay, Ken's gonna have some excuse or something rotten to say, so we're not even gonna have Ken on the channel.
Hold on.
Okay.
Hey, I'm just saying I want the car done. That's not negative.
Okay.
I'm being positive, uplifting. I want it done.
Ladies and gentlemen, drop a comment below if we should ban Speed Addict 731 completely from the channel for all the negativity. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. We got to get back to work, and we got a lot more projects going. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and
bye, guys.
Later, guys.